Hello, welcome to a Wolf Kiff weekend. Today we are inside of the Vectra, the Vectra C. I just thought I'd show you how to take the door card off, because I've got to do that because my interior door handle, well, has stopped working. Quite a common fault, there's a cable inside here that tends to go. You can get them offline fairly cheap. I'm just going to have a look at ours and see if there is a way that I could possibly fix it. Things first, I'm going to have to get out this thing. There we go. First thing I'm going to do is take this piece of trim off here. You can just use a flat blade for that. And we're going to pop this out as well, and that's flat blade as well. Disconnect this one. It's quite simple. Just press this button here and then slide that one over the top. Take this one up, put it somewhere safe. Makes it easier, I find. Right, so now as we're looking at the door, you've got this one, you've got one, somewhere here, 1, 2, 3 underneath, none around the side or anything, and this door card should just be held on by clips then, so you can just pop it off. The speaker should stay in with the door, I believe. If not, then we can unplug it when we got the door card away. You've got this one then, which is the back of the door handle. So what you do, it's usually like that. This one came off, but you pull it backwards like that after you flick that clip. Get this to line up with there, and gently work that one out of the door handle like that. And then this is completely away from it. There we are, guys. I hope that helped some of you out. If it did, then please let us know by hitting a like and subscribe below this video, and stay tuned for more content and more hints and tips coming on a multitude of different cars. Thank you for your support, and I'll catch you in the next video.